Yep, lots going on. The girls are busy. That little grandson had his first snowstorm this weekend. Hey, Donnie, listen, hold on a second. Hold on. Does it look like I'm prospecting? Because I am. Doesn't look like it though, does it? Hold on, I'll explain. Hey, Donnie, let me call you back. Okay, talk to you. Good morning. That didn't look like prospecting, did it? But it was. In fact, it's the most effective method of finding great leads, and yet we don't do enough of it. All right, so let me back up a few days. Last Wednesday, I was doing an office hours sales challenge discussion event, a live Zoom event for my Sales Vault customers. And I started that session off with a question. And this time I asked, what's the most effective form of prospecting? Where do you get your best leads? Everyone on the call said some form of word of mouth. Word of mouth, our customers, our friends, our clients, etc. Okay, I said, how many hours a week on average do you spend prospecting in general? And people gave me, 8 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, whatever. I said, great. How many hours of those are spent just checking in with people, doing the word of mouth thing and trying to get that lead from someone? Who do you know? That type of a check-in call. Crickets. So if that's your most effective way, if 6 out of 6 people on that call said, this is the most effective way for us to get prospecting leads, then why aren't we doing more of it? Myself included. So I'm just talking to a friend of mine in southern New Hampshire. His name is Don Barber, and Donnie and I grew up together. And I check in with him every 2 or 3 months. And I force myself to do this, which is silly to say because he was my best friend growing up. But it's work. It's like, I gotta catch up. I gotta do this. I got so many things to do. But that is the most effective way. Why aren't we doing more of it? You should be spending your time sitting back with your feet up on your desk, calling friends, family, and yes, customers, with no agenda other than to just catch up. When you get to the part about, so how's work, how's business, how's sales, that's when you can slip in some things about what you do, what kind of companies you're looking for. Plant that seed. I can't tell you how many times in the course of a casual conversation, someone says, oh, hey, you know who you should call? And it turns out they know someone who's got, in my case, 10 sales reps. I think, that's not why I called. But it's a great benefit of having done the work, having put in the time just to stay in touch with people. This is a wonderful and valuable and worthwhile and fulfilling method of prospecting, even though it doesn't look like prospecting. I got to get back to my call. Have a good selling week. I'll talk to you next Monday. Hey, I'm back. All right, so what's up with you?